Do you know the nighttime signs of diabetes you should never ignore? Today, we're going to talk about 7 key symptoms that could be ringing alarm bells while you're fast asleep. The importance of early detection and management of diabetes cannot be overstated. It's a condition that can sneak up on you, and being aware of the telltale signs can be the difference between effective control and serious complications. So, stay tuned as we delve into these signs that could potentially save a life. The first sign is frequent urination during the night, known as nocturia. This happens when your kidneys are working overtime to get rid of the excess glucose in your blood. If you find yourself waking up multiple times in the night to use the bathroom, it's not something to brush off. It could be an early warning sign of diabetes. The second sign to watch out for is excessive thirst, also known as polydipsia. When your body has too much glucose, it pulls water from your tissues to compensate. This can leave you feeling dehydrated and constantly reaching for a drink. The third sign is a dry mouth, a condition often referred to as xerostomia. This can occur when there's not enough moisture produced in your mouth, often a result of dehydration from high blood sugar levels. These signs are common, but when experienced persistently, they can indicate a serious condition like diabetes. Moving on to the fourth sign, it's nighttime sweating. Unusual sweating during the night, even when the room is cool, can be a sign of diabetes. This happens because your body is trying to regulate high blood sugar levels, leading to excessive sweating as it works overtime to balance things out. It's like your body's own air conditioning system kicking into overdrive. Now let's talk about the fifth sign. Have you been losing weight without trying? Unexplained weight loss can be another indication of diabetes. When your body can't efficiently use the glucose from your food for energy due to high blood sugar levels, it starts burning fat and muscle for energy instead. This can lead to weight loss, even if you're eating the same amount as before. These symptoms might seem unrelated to diabetes at first glance, but they can be indicative of the condition. Recognizing them early could be key to managing diabetes effectively. The sixth sign is something many people might not associate with diabetes: disturbed sleep. Yes, you heard it right. Your irregular sleep patterns might not just be due to stress or a bad mattress. It could be your body's struggle to regulate blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar is too high or too low, it can lead to nighttime sweats, frequent urination, or even a general sense of discomfort that can disrupt your sleep. Moving on to the seventh sign, frequent headaches. These aren't your normal, run-of-the-mill headaches. They're persistent, and they seem to have no apparent trigger. Again, this could be your body waving a red flag about unstable blood sugar levels. High or low blood sugar can cause dehydration, which in turn triggers these headaches. Never underestimate these signs. They might be telling you something important about your health. To recap, the 7 nighttime signs of diabetes you should never ignore are excessive thirst, frequent urination, unexplained weight loss, fatigue or tiredness, blurred vision, recurrent infections, and tingling or numbness in your hands or feet. If you consistently experience these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice. They could be signaling the onset of diabetes. Remember, early detection is crucial in managing diabetes. Don't ignore these nighttime signs. Your health matters.